how you do it. 911 when you want to get through the line.
Or you
Or
leave.
you go to some other line.
Or you
How
leave.
old are you, woman?
Or you just go to another store.
Yes, move her out the way, please.
This is great.
We got kids and babies over here. Move. Wow.
She's coughing on him.
Wow.
She's spitting on him.
Oh, she's spitting. I got it all on camera.
Everybody is ridiculous.
I don't want her off the property. I have called PD. They are on their way. She spit on me, which
I
is
coughed.
action
You
of
can see
assault.
how easy it is to get the phlegm out. It's a lesson.
I have it on video. So.
It's called breathe.
was spitting on
Get
him.
your phlegm out because that's where you're getting the fat out, and the fat holds the toxins and the f***ing viruses.
Ma'am?
You think I'm just having fun being a stupid blonde?
Would you like to go?
Yeah,
in?
I just decided that I just wanted to be born to be a stupid blonde. Yeah, like I am the only blonde here. Who are you with your face all like that? I don't get any enjoyment from slapping you because your head would be rolling in the aisles. Do it.